Unlock the secrets of heart-healthy snacking with these 6 nutrient-packed dry fruits. Your heart will thank you. Hello and welcome back to our channel, Health Enthusiasts. Today we've got a treat for your taste buds and your heart. We're diving deep into the world of nutrient-packed snacking, especially focusing on 6 incredible dry fruits that are not only delicious but also fantastic for your heart health. You're going to want to stick around for this one. Number 1. Almonds. First up, let's dive deeper into the world of almonds. These delightful nuts have been cherished for centuries, not just for their irresistible crunch, but for their remarkable heart-boosting properties. Almonds are a powerhouse of nutrition. They are rich in monosaturated fats, the same heart-healthy fats found in olive oil. Consuming these fats can help reduce bad cholesterol levels, lowering your risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Almonds are also packed with antioxidants, particularly vitamin E. These antioxidants protect your cells from oxidative damage, which can contribute to heart disease. In addition, almonds contain magnesium, a mineral crucial for maintaining a steady heart rhythm. This perfect combination of nutrients makes almonds a heart-smart snack that's both satisfying and nutritious. However, moderation is key when it comes to almonds, as they are calorie-dense. A small handful a day, around 1 ounce 28 grams, is enough to reap their heart-healthy benefits. You can enjoy them as a standalone snack, blend them into a creamy almond butter, or add sliced almonds to your salads or oatmeal. Almonds are not just a delicious way to nourish your heart, they're also a convenient, on-the-go snack that can easily fit into your daily routine. Number 2. Walnuts. Moving on to another star of the nut world, we have walnut. These brain-shaped wonders are not only visually intriguing but also offer a unique blend of nutrients that make them an exceptional choice for heart health. The standout feature of walnut is their impressive omega-3 fatty acid content. Omega-3s are like a protective shield for your heart. They reduce inflammation, improve blood vessel function, and help maintain healthy blood flow. By doing so, they can lower the risk of heart disease. Walnuts are also loaded with fiber, which can help reduce bad cholesterol levels, further contributing to cardiovascular well-being. In addition, they provide a hard dose of antioxidants, which support overall heart health. By combating free radicals and oxidative stress, walnuts are versatile and can be enjoyed in various ways. You can snack on them as they are, or incorporate them into your meals. Sprinkle chopped walnuts over your morning cereal or yogurt. Add them to a stir fry for a delightful crunch, or bake them into a heart-healthy banana walnut muffins. Just a small handful of these heart-boosting nuts each day can lead to a significant long-term benefits for your cardiovascular system. So go ahead and make walnuts a delicious part of your daily routine. Number 3. Pistachios. These little nuts not only brighten up your snack ball but also bring a wealth of heart-healthy benefits to the table. On the standout features of pistachios is their high potassium content. This essential mineral plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure, which is a significant factor in heart health. Consuming a diet rich in potassium can help lower your risk of stroke and heart disease. Additionally, pistachios are low in saturated fat, making them a heart-smart choice. They're also brimming with fiber, which aids in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. Furthermore, their unique green and red coloration comes from antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are not only beneficial for your heart but also for your eye health. Pistachios are a fun and flavorful snack that can be enjoyed at any time. You can shell them and savor each one individually or include them in mixed nut blend. Additionally, they can add a satisfying crunch to your salads, and their natural color makes them a great garnish for a variety of dishes. The unique combination of nutrients and the enjoyable eating experience makes pistachios a heart-healthy snack that's easy to incorporate into your daily life. So next time you're craving a crunchy and nutritious snack, reach for a handful of pistachios to support your heart health. Number 4. Cashews. Moving on to the underrated yet extraordinary cashews. These kidney-shaped nuts are often undershadowed by their almond and walnut counterparts, but they have their unique heart-healthy benefits that deserve recognition. Cashews are rich in monosaturated fats, similar to almonds, making them an exceptional choice for heart health. These healthy fats contribute to lower levels of bad cholesterol in your blood, reducing the risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Cashews offer a host of additional nutrients that support cardiovascular wellness. They are a fantastic source of magnesium, a vital mineral for maintaining a healthy heart rhythm. Magnesium helps your heart pump blood effectively, ensuring that your circulatory system operates smoothly. It also aids in relaxing blood vessels, reducing blood pressure, and supporting overall heart health. While cashews are calorie-dense, consuming them in moderation can provide you with valuable nutrients for your heart. A small handful of cashews can curb your hunger and offer the benefits of these heart-healthy nuts. Beyond snacking, cashews are incredibly versatile and can be used to create creamy and dairy-free sauces like cashew cream or cashew-based cheese, which can be incorporated into various dishes. Whether eaten as a snack or used in recipes, cashews are a versatile addition to your heart-healthy diet, and they're delicious to boot. So don't let their humble appearance fool you. Cashews are a small yet mighty choice for supporting your heart's well-being. Number 5. Raisins. Shifting from nuts to something a bit sweeter, let's explore the heart-boosting properties of raisins. These small, wrinkled gems may be humble in appearance, but they pack a mighty punch when it comes to supporting your cardiovascular well-being. Raisins are a natural, unprocessed sweetener, making them an excellent choice for those looking to satisfy their sweet tooth while maintaining heart health. What sets raisins apart in their high potassium content? A mineral that plays a significant role in maintaining healthy blood pressure. By regulating blood pressure, raisins help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. In fact, just a quarter cup of raisins contain more potassium than a small banana. This potassium-rich profile promotes optimal heart function and keeps your blood vessels relaxed, reducing the strain on your heart. Moreover, raisins are loaded with dietary fiber, which is a double win for your heart. This fiber not only aids in maintaining healthy digestion, but also contributes to heart health. By helping managing cholesterol levels, it reduces the absorption of bad cholesterol in your digestive tract, which in turn lowers your risk of heart-related issues. Whether you snack on them alone, mix them into your morning cereal or yogurt, or toss them into a salad, raisins are a sweet and wholesome way to look after your heart. With their rich natural sweetness and a heart-healthy punch, raisins are a fantastic addition to your daily diet. Number 6. Dates. Last but certainly not least, we have dates. These energy-packed, naturally sweet fruits are a treasure trove of heart-healthy benefits. Dates are an excellent source of potassium and magnesium, two minerals that work in harmony to maintain a steady heart rate and regulate blood pressure. By supporting healthy blood pressure, dates play a pivotal role in reducing the risk of heart-related issues. Additionally, dates are rich in dietary fiber, which not only aids in digestion but also contributes to heart health. This fiber helps manage cholesterol levels, ensuring that your heart stays in tip-top shape. Dates are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. You can snack on them as they are, stuffed with a handful of nuts, or even wrapped in bacon for a delightful savory-sweet combination. Dates are always a key ingredient in many traditional desserts and baked goods, providing a natural sweetness that complements a wide range of flavors. With their rich caramel-like taste or heart-boosting properties, dates are a delightful addition to your diet. So whether you're indulging in a healthy snack or creating a scrumptious dessert, dates can be your secret ingredient for a happy heart. As we wrap up today's video, remember that these 6 dry fruits are just a few of the many options available for you. The key is to enjoy them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. When it comes to your heart, every little bit helps, and these nutrient-packed snacks can make a significant difference over time. If you found this information valuable, then don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. And if you have any thoughts or questions, share them in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and we will be back with more exciting and informative content soon. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep snacking smart.